Hello and welcome back to AltSpot Crypto here on YouTube. Today we are going to be discussing a hot, cold wallet, the Tangem. Let's get started. Now, although this video is aimed primarily at newcomers to the crypto space, basically due to the Tangem card's ease of use and how quick it is to set up, people who are already into crypto could see the Tangem as a good alternative or addition to what they already have. There are a few questions which pop up quite regularly when it comes to the Tangem cards and how they are delivered. We'll go into them later on in the video. And for all you people who have got cold storage and don't need or don't want a Tangem, perfect, because you are on cold storage. This is for people who aren't on cold storage primarily and want to make sure that they have their assets, cryptocurrencies, off the exchanges so that they have custody of their own assets. You see, big thing with these bad boys is that they don't have wires, they don't have batteries, they aren't going to run out on you, they're always going to be there exactly when you need them. And before we take a closer look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. If you have a Tangem or you're interested in getting one, there is a discount code, 10% off, using the code CryptoBZY, and you will get 10% off your purchase of a Tangem card. Have you done that? Smart choice. When you go to the website, you will see big white writing, Tangem is redefining the wallet experience by delivering top-level security, simplicity, and accessibility. Enjoy complete autonomy and independence while managing your assets with a single tap. Tangem Wallet breaks down the barriers for crypto newcomers and enhances the custodial experience for advanced users. Hence why I said before, this is not just for beginners, even though this is aimed at beginners. People who are a lot more experienced in crypto are also pushing this, as it is a very, very good little bit of kit. During the activation process, the card's embedded chip generates a random key, ensuring that the wallet cannot be compromised. Wallet activation will take less than 3 minutes. So all you do is you simply download the app on your phone, tap the card on the back of the phone. Hey presto, how simple is that? A little message for all you people who are getting into Tangem now and want to get a Tangem after this video. I hate you, and the reason why I hate you is because they have their new white limited edition. I just got the standard 2.0 black one. I missed out on the Casper version, which I am gutted about, but you guys get to get the white edition. And an important point to make here, 0 out of 1 million cards have been hacked since their inception in 2018. 0, none, zilch. That's impressive. Tangem card also keeps you safe on 2 fronts. 1, with the biometric security, and 2, with access code protection. I'll give you some information on the actual chip that's inside every Tangem card. At the heart of every Tangem card wallet is a powerful certified chip developed in collaboration with Samsung Semiconductor. Every card comes with an inbuilt chip taking the form of a 1 by 1 millimeter microcomputer. And if you look at the security standard, it is an EAL6+, the highest chip security standard, protection from any invasive and non-invasive attacks. IP68, maximum resistance to dust, water and temperature extremes. In brackets there, it is -25 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius. So don't drop it in lava. Environmental protection. It has resistance to X-rays, electromagnetic pulses, and electrostatic discharge. It has no points of vulnerability or elements that are prone to failure. Counterfeit protection. Now this is an important one. The app verifies the authenticity of both the chip and the firmware. No need to charge it, as we said before, no wires, no batteries. It's always ready to go. So far, Tangem have been through 2 independent firmware audits. So the Tangem firmware has had 2 audits under its belt, first in 2018 by the Swiss company Kudelsky Security, and another in 2023 by Riscure, an international security lab. Both audits confirmed that the firmware has no backdoors or vulnerabilities, is not updatable, and contains no hidden algorithms. And importantly, they don't collect any personal data. When you get it and it arrives, it will look something like this. The box will just arrive like that, package, there we go. And there was a very big, let's call it hoo-ha when these first started getting delivered, because remember, they are from Switzerland. If you are in the UK, like myself, you may find that on the back, 2 security strips are broken. They have been opened prior to the delivery to my house. And there is a very, very easy explanation for this, and it does not affect the integrity of the product. You'd know straight away in the 3 minutes it takes to set them up when you put the app on your phone. The moment that you tap that card, that is independent to you, so you would know if somebody else had used that card before, if that makes sense. It's just a pure case of the UK, yet again. Don't want to get into politics, don't want to get into rules and regulations in this video.
Taxes, beautiful, lovely, taxes.
But it's just another example of us being nosy parkers into other people's private business. Don't rely on having to remember seed phrases, writing things down, taking screenshots, all the rest of that jazz. Get one of these bad boys. There's 3 of them. Keep one in the loft, keep one in your wallet, keep one in your mum's house, keep one in your dad's house. It really is that simple. Do not be messing around these days, in my opinion, with seed phrases and all the rest of it. Even though the new 2.0 does have functionality where you can put a seed phrase on. I've not even looked at that because it doesn't interest me. I'm more about ease of use, and as far as I'm concerned, that is a good level of security for me. I know a few of the people in our new Discord server, Eat Sleep Crypto, have purchased some of these, and they'll be getting them shortly, and I eagerly await your reviews on them. We can talk about them in the weekly crypto talks, and we can discuss whether or not that you agree with me that these are the best thing since sliced bread in the world of cryptocurrency for ease of use and for security in general. You will need the individual card. If you get the three will come in the box. You'll set up a primary and 2 backups. Before you can send any crypto assets that you own out of your wallet, before it can move anywhere to somebody else's wallet onto an exchange, you will need physically this card. You will need your biometrics in my case, and that is before you send anything. It will not literally send anything until you complete these 2 processes. Don't be an idiot. Get your crypto off exchanges. Get your crypto off these hot wallets, these trust wallets and all that sort of business. I mean, some people use them, yes, I get it, but if you hold crypto long term, like I do, get them off. Get onto cold storage. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the ESC, Eat Sleep Crypto Discord server, link again in the description below. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. Get yourself a Tangem with the code in the description below. Bye for now.